Dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to write the values of trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So there are 5 standard angles are there. What are they? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now I am going to teach a simple method of finding the values of these standard angles for the trigonometric ratios. So for that, first we have to prepare a table like this. Here in the top corner we are having an empty box, isn't it? So in that we start numbering as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the last number here? We wrote 4. Now we have to divide these numbers by 4. Okay, and for that we take square root. So it is quite simple, isn't it? Now we simplify these values and write in first row. 0 divided by 4 is 0 and square root of 0 is 0. Therefore here we get 0. That is sine 0 degree is 0. Now square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 4 is square root of 1 by square root of 4. That is 1 by 2. Therefore here sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Now a third one you see here. Root 2 by 4. This goes for 1 time and this goes for 2 times. So we get root of 1 by 2, that is root 1 by root 2, which is equals to 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. And the third one you see root of 3 by 4 that gives you root 3 by root 4, that is root 3 by root 2. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And now you see 4 by 1 goes for 1 time and root of 1 is 1. So these are the values of sine. Okay. Now what you have? Sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. So to obtain the cos value, what you have to do? Just we reverse these values. So we get 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And we all know that what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. So to obtain tan theta, what you have to do? We divide these two values. 0 by 1 is 0. Now 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancels, means I get 1 by root 3. So here I get 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is what? 1. Now here you see 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 by 1 will be root 3. And 1 by 0 is not defined. Now cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. That is 1 by sin theta, isn't it? Therefore we find cosecant value by taking the reciprocals of sin value. The reciprocal of 0, that is 1 by 0, not defined. The reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1, that is 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1, that is root 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now we go for secant theta. The secant theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta, isn't it? Therefore by reciprocating the cos values we get the values of secant. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 2 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And what is cot? Cot is nothing but the reciprocal of tan, isn't it? Therefore we get cot values by reciprocating the tan values. Now first one, 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by root 3 reciprocal, root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Not defined reciprocal is nothing but 0. Okay, so this is how we write the table for the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Now we can have another method to find the values of trigonometric ratios for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So for 30 degree and 60 degree we take a right angle triangle ABC in which angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 90 degree and angle C is 60 degrees. Now we see the ratio of the angles. 30 degree is to 60 degree is to 90 degrees. All this is divisible by 30. So we are going to get the ratio as 1 is to 3 is to 3. We have a concept that if the angles of a triangle in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, then the ratio of sides will be 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so 1 means it will be opposite to 30 degree. So this side will be 1. Root 3 is what? Opposite to 60 degree. This is root 3. And 2. 2 is opposite to right angle. So the side BC we take 1, side AB will be root 3 and the side AC will be 2. Now you see sine 30 degrees you want. What is sine 30 degree? According to definition, sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So for 30 degree, the opposite side is 1. Okay, and hypotenuse is 2. So we get sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Suppose you need cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant definition what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Now here hypotenuse is what? 2 and opposite side of 60 degree is root 3. Therefore, the value of cosecant 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Now we want to find cot 60 degree. Okay, cot definition is what? Adjacent side by opposite side. So for 60 degree, the adjacent side is 1 and the opposite side is root 3. So here I get cot 60 degree as root 3. Now one more example we see. We have to find cos 45 degree. Okay, so sorry, for 45 degree we cannot find. We can find cos 60 degrees. What is cos 60 degree? The definition for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So for 60 degree, the adjacent side is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. So we get cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so using this triangle we can find the trigonometric ratio values for 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Now for 45 degree what you have to do? We take an isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, so here in triangle ABC, AB and BC are equal. So here the angles will be 45 degree is to 45 degree is to 90 degrees. Then what is the ratio will be? 1 is to 1 is to 2. If the angles are in the ratio, then the ratio of sides will be 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Therefore, AB will be 1, BC will be 1 and AC will be root 2. Okay. Now here both angles are 45 now. So we remove this one angle 45 degree. Now you see sine 45 degrees. What is sine definition? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is 1 by root 2. Cos 45. What is cos 45? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is 1 by root 2. Then you have to find secant 45. What is secant 45? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Here hypotenuse is root 2 and adjacent side is 1. That is root 2 by 1 equal to root 2. So using this triangle, that is right angled isosceles triangle, we can find the values of the trigonometric ratios for 45 degrees, and using this triangle we can find the values of trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. This is one of the method. Now I am going to teach you the most simplest method, that is the method that I use. So we know the first row. What is the first row value? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So these are the values of first row, isn't it? So here these are values of sine. So if we take in this direction, these will be the values of sines for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If we take the values like this in the reverse manner, like this, okay, these will be the values of cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So if we memorize this one row perfectly, we can find the values of 4 trigonometric ratios, that is sine and its reciprocal cosec, cos and its reciprocal secant. Okay. So apart from this, if you want to make the steps very easy, what you have to do, we have to learn one more row, that is the value of tan. What is that? 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Okay. So here if we go in this direction we get tan value, if we come in this direction we get cot value. So this direction, this will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So if you know these things, okay, if whenever you solve the problem, what you have to do, we have tried these two rows and they can find easily the values of any trigonometric ratios for the given standard angle. Now I will give some example for you. I want sine 60 degrees. Okay, sine 60 degree, come this side, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, that is equals to root 3 by 2. Now I want cos 60 degree. Okay, cos means first row reverse, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, that is 1 by 2. Now we want cosecant 30 degrees. Very simple. Cosecant means first you find sine. Sine 0 degree, 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. This one you do reciprocal. What I get? 2 by 1. That is 2. Now we want to find secant 45 degree. For secant, first you have to find cos 45. Cos 45 you have to come reverse. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. So cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. And we reciprocate, we get root 2. Similarly, tan 60 degrees. Okay, now here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, root 3. I want to find cot 30 degree. Now come this side, reverse. 0 degree, 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is root 3. Okay, so using only these two rows, we can easily find the values of the 6 trigonometric ratios for the standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. Okay children, you practice this very perfectly. Thank you.